Boy just quit his job and he's gonna give it a goodbye swing for the one time. Hopefully, it looks all good though. More? Oh shoot! Oh, it's Tyler, bro. He scared me. The guy Tyler came out, but I thought it was someone else. Yo, that was pretty savage though. That was pretty savage. That was sick. That was sick. Get the rear view. Actually, the side mirror, not even the rear view. We were actually about to go get a car wash too, but it's gonna be raining like a day or two, so honestly, no point. Oh, no point in. Oh shoot, no point in getting one. No point in getting one. That vlogged me, so. I bet that shit's all comes to shift. It's a low noise. Just a fucking driveway. Oh yeah. I mean, this is. I low-key works though. It's a good angle too. Oh shoot! Oh, his door's open, bro. Close your door. What? Well, hello. Well, hello. No way, he just did. Oh, there we go. He closed it. Yo, what's going on, guys? Ricer Boy Daddy here. Today, we're gonna be trying to do this. I don't know how to do it, but if it works out good. Oh, and don't mind that little scar on my face. You know, I cut myself during shaving. It should be simple, because I'm guessing red goes to red and black goes to black, no? I don't know. We'll see, though. Hopefully, it ends up working, but it's like the little blinking brake light. You feel me? It's going to give it a nice little touch. A nice little touch. All right, I just cut it in half, boys. I had to strip some of the little black part off. I got the wires exposed. I'm hoping red goes to red and black goes to black. If it does, I just gotta do this side real quick and then get it hooked up and it should be ready. Go, do it again, press the brake again. Oh, that's so fire, boys. Look, if you guys get this thing, I'm gonna try to find the link down below, but just go red on red, black on black, red on red, black on black. You know what I'm saying? Hold up, let me put the thing down. Wait, go again. Oh, wait, hold on, let me back up. Oh shit, the chair. Okay, go, 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 go. Let go of it and then press it again. Oh, that's so fire! Wait, let me see with my actual eyes and not the camera. What? Oh, dude, that looks so sick. Yo, no way. Oh, one more, one more, one more. Hey, wait, one more, one more. Yo, that's so cool. There you have it, boys. There you have it. Right now I'm just tape it up and like put it somewhere nice and neat. You feel me? Yo, wait, press the brake again. Well, I can't even see it from here. But dude, it looks so sick. It looks so sick. Hold up, let me tape it up and show you guys how I ended up. I put it down right here, zip tied it, made it look neat. It all works. It's all good. I'm finally gonna be able to put back my panels on here. I broke this though, so I need to go pick some more up. But hold up, look, press it, press it. Ooh, one more. Yep. Boys, this is definitely worth it. I'm not gonna cap. It looks sick. I'll show you guys at night. Bro. Okay, okay, Frank. Wait, close your door so I can see the front. Yeah, that looks clean though. Sheesh. The boy, who is this man?
That's why I parked next to it.
Damn. The boyfriend got bags? Yo, that shit looks clean, dude. Where are you gonna put the sloth? Where are you gonna put the sloth?
Probably in the back once I fix the diffuser.
Why? What's wrong with it?
I bought another attachment for it.
Damn.
Like this, I'm gonna pop this out more. I'll pop it out to right here.
Uh-huh.
And then I'm adding the other one that goes up. So I'll probably have it hanging like around. No.
This man gets bags and look at. Oh my gosh.
Dude, You have to, you good?
I didn't even have Recaro. Okay.
Shut up.
Oh yeah, where's the Recaro at? What the hell?
Hey, let me show you.
Where's the Recaro at?
Let me show you.
Oh, he got freaking belt wraps.
That looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
I know, I was about to tell you that.
Wait, what's not straight?
It's not straight. But I'm hella lazy to take it off to do it.
Oh, this one?
No, like if you see the lines here, it goes more over here.
Oh yeah, it does. It's all the way over here, fool. Oh my god.
That shit had lines too. I looked at it, I was like, there's lines right there.
Yeah, that's funny though.